No. 14? Ah, not much. Good morning. Start off the morning with a healthy balance. 4 eggs and 1 piece of white bread. Long time haven't vlogged. Jesus Christ. Wow, I need a haircut. Getting a haircut, you know when I'm getting a haircut? I will be getting a haircut soon. How does that oversaturated background? But that is, looks like I'm in heaven. No, God! Like I was saying, today I'm gonna vlog. I don't know what's gonna happen today, what's going down today. Maybe the gym today, maybe arm day. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen.
Hi, my friend, how are you? Let's go fine. I woke up this morning and somebody broke my bike tire. So my owner said, my neighbor said, hey, I have a whole bike in my room. I have to put it in the garbage. Okay. You want it? Yeah, I'll take it. And they give me like this. You know, it's so disgusting. Look, it's spoilers on the cut. Let's skip. Oh, where? And my friend here, my friend Franco said, oh, welcome my home, my friend. We're gonna clean it. I wanna put it, make it brand new. With this and this, we're gonna clean it. Let's do it in the name of the bike. When I see this bicycle, look at the shit. I will say no. I will never more go on this bicycle. I will never try it too. Let's change now the wheel.
Go.
Yeah, you see the difference now. Thanks to my body over there. See, it's the master of a bicycle. Yeah. Don't drink and drive, smoke and fly. Okay, now.
Hey, bon voyage.
It's working. Good job. It's very good. Much better than before.
It looks cleaner.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys, we're gonna go on our...
That was good, Michaela. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh my god.
What's up? Are you okay?
Oh, it hurt.
It obviously hurts. You banged your head.
Oh, that was so funny.
A few inches later.
Hi guys, we're going in our bathing suits.
Eventually.
So okay, hey guys, right now back here, transition to this because there's nothing. We're gonna go to the park, and once we're at the park, Michaela's gonna party till she's 13. But she's 11, right? So yeah. And then we have these 2 nice cars here. We got the Volkswagen and Volkswagen, exactly the same thing, just different colors.
Cool though. You could pay.
Oh my kid, gee, Michaela, that's cool. Okay, so we're gonna transition. We're gonna do cool cinematography.
Running out, close my eyes, but I got stamina. I see another mountain to climb, but I got stamina. I need another lover.
Oh. What's up, Luca?
Where's your tripod?
Oh, I'm just gonna put it in my pocket.
Alright, we're gonna go now.
We go?
The money.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So guys, right now never gonna go pay money. I don't pay my income tax. But that's sunset though.
Here guys, look at
Well, that's sunset, Joe.
I'm not afraid to die. Push me to the edge.
All my friends are dead.
All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. It's all right. That's how you won't leave me. I call it.
No.
Okay. Hey guys, right now I'm living it.
Look, 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 look. See, you can't see, and then you're like.
I just want to be on the radar.
So guys, right now we're going to eat. Where are we going to eat? Where are we going?
No, not me, man.
Oh, give us a fucking camera now. Just stand up.
And then you drop. Hey guys, right now we're here. I don't know, these people are making a beep. Okay, look, we're gonna go eat at the restaurant. Okay, look, there's a lot of wind. I don't know if you can hear me. Is it good, Nicola? So you guys, right now we're at this, what is it called? We're at
Pizza Yacht.
So right now, I don't know, they're gonna eat. Me, I ate, but they didn't tell me we're going to. Vince is like, hey, you know, let's go out. We're gonna eat, and then we're coming to your house. We're gonna pick up. We're gonna bring the money to Sere. But so, like I was saying,
Now we can. I'm gonna get a fucking.
no, you don't leave. Like I was saying, like they were supposed to come to my house, chill, have a nice beer, but this is not gonna happen. If Vince, you keep lying. You said you were going to eat before coming to my house.
Ah, what the fuck do you mean? Alright, life sucks.
I'm soon to become a driver, but
Got pine nuts.
we have a good driver up here.
Switch gears. Well, too fast.
Yeah, but you can't drive on that lane that way. What did he do? He did a turn.
Look at that. How did he get up
there?
there?
The guy, I don't know.
The nice policia right there keeping.
It's like we went go-kart.
Yeah, cutting grass. The guy did a turn.
And every one of the girls when they cut into the shortcut.
How do you do that? Wow. He missed the bus stop, and then he's picking up his son at the bus stop, but he missed.
He missed.
Yeah. We're getting a
Now he has to
spa.
get a spot.
He's getting a spa, and he's got a special on Groupon, so he's going with his mom to the spa. And then